Hey guys, it's Reddy from Wealthy Options. Welcome to 34th episode of Zero DTE Pulse. Today was a Sensex expiry. So today, I must admit, it's a relatively cool expiry, mainly because of, it went into a one direction. So going into the details, Sensex opened with a gap down of almost like 100 points, and then in next 15 minutes, it shot up by 200 points. So the premium available at 916 was around 290, which is low, and then in the next 15 minutes, it shot up by 25 points. So as a result of that, the strategies, my system entered early, around 916, and after that, those initial strategies, struggled because initially the calls got stopped out, and as you could see, this is a inverted V shape and complete reversal. It took, puts also later, but the MTM was not, never went into the loss today because, so while this was happening, first 5 minutes was, something like the premium shot up, but after that, it started cooling off. So as you could see from 920 onwards, almost it's a complete decay for next 1 hour. So because of this, the strategies which entered after let's say after 920 and onwards, they started getting a good premium, and also it's not like any big reversals and all. It's like a calm play with decay. So they caught the direction, and also the decay also helped. So by 10:15, I think the decay was pretty good, but by 10:15, I think I was in a profit of almost like a 0.2 to 0.25 percentage, but that not changed for next 3 hours. That's mainly because there was no significant decay for the next 3 hours, and also the Sensex also went through some kind of a random motion, as you could see, some kind of a VWP shape. So it never led the system to get into more profits, but from almost 115 onwards, it's like a decay, aggressive decay started, and along with that, it's a clean directional move. So the system was able to capture the direction pretty well, and the strategies which entered in afternoon also, some of them took bit loss, but majority of them ended in the profit also. And also the afternoon session went pretty well. I think almost every strategy ended up in the profit. So in the end, I made a profit of, I closed the day with a profit of 4 lakhs from these 3 accounts together. So that's a overall profit of a 4 lakhs, and so which works out 0.92 percentage on my account size. And with this profit, the drawdown also came to nil, and month, we still have one more expiry. I'm almost like a 3.04 percentage up this particular month. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to channel, and I'll see you in my next episode. Until then, take care. Bye.